How to create a disk partition on your Windows. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new disk partitions on your Windows. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into it. The very first thing that you need to do here is just go ahead and open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. And here you are just going to search for disk mgmt.msc. It will open up your disk manager, and here once your disk management is open, you will find different options here. So you will be able to see these kind of files like your healthy disk, your local disk, the main one, and then your new drive. So for example, if you want a separate disk, I want to take a chunk out of my D drive to create a new one. In that case, what you're going to do is just go ahead and simply right click on it and then go ahead and click on shrink volume. So what it will do is it will scan the disk space and tell you the available space right here in MBs. So what you're going to do is a 1024 MB is 1 GB. So for example, if you want to separate out a 5 GB space, what you're going to do is roughly type in here 5000 MBs and then go ahead and tap on shrink. Now it will create a new unallocated memory on your disk. You can now go ahead and right click on this and then tap on new simple volume. A Windows wizard will pop up. You just have to tap on next. You don't have to change anything here. It will be the simple volume size will be 5000 MBs. Tap on next and you have an option to assign a letter. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and then tap on next. And on the file system, make sure that you select this NTFS if it's selected to FAT32. And on your allocated unit size, make sure that it is default, and on your new volume label you can change it according to your choice. Then tap on next and then finish. So as you can see, a new volume E will be on my drive right here. So this new space has been created, and that's how you easily create a partition on your disk. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.